Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there was a boy named Jack. Jack lived with his kind mother who loved him very much.
One day, Jack went to the market with his mother and saw a man selling some magical beans. The beans were so shiny and colourful that Jack wanted them right away.
Excitedly, Jack traded his cow for the beans, but his mother wasn't too happy about it.
That night, something amazing happened. The beans started to grow and grow, reaching up high into the sky. Jack couldn't believe his eyes.
He decided
To climb the beanstalk.
to see what was there.
As he climbed, he saw fluffy clouds and birds chirping happily.
When Jack reached the top,
He found a big giant castle with a very big giant inside. The giant welcomed Jack and showed him his amazing treasure. Jack saw a hen that laid golden eggs and a harp that played beautiful music all by itself.
the giant shared his treasure with Jack.
And they become good friends.
But soon Jack missed his home and his mother, so he said goodbye to the giant.
He took the golden eggs and the magic harp with him, and he climbed back down the beanstalk. When Jack got home, he was surprised to see that many years had passed. His mother was overjoyed to see him and hear about his incredible adventure.
They used golden eggs to buy a cozy cottage and lived happily ever after.
And every night Jack played beautiful music on the magic harp for his mother.
The villagers loved hearing Jack's stories. They were gathered around to listen to him. And that's how Jack's magical journey up the beanstalk brought happiness to everybody